If you're considering investing in Usercentrics AS, you're probably wondering if it's the right fit for your business, especially when compared to other tools in the market. Today, we're diving into 7 things you need to know before making that purchase decision, and I promise you'll want to stick around till the end for some surprising insights. First things first, Usercentrics AS is all about simplifying consent management for websites, particularly in line with GDPR and other privacy regulations. If you're familiar with other privacy tools like OneTrust or Cookiebot, you'll quickly notice that Usercentrics stands out with its powerful, user-friendly interface. But is it really the best for your needs? Let's get into it. Next thing, Usercentrics offers robust customization options. You can adjust the look and feel of your consent banners to match your website's branding seamlessly. A big advantage here is the ability to display banners in multiple languages, which is a major bonus for international businesses. When you compare it to something like Cookiebot, which also offers customization, Usercentrics takes it a step further by offering more flexibility in how you manage consent logs and integrate them with your website's overall design. The third thing to consider is Usercentrics integration capabilities. It integrates easily with a wide range of third-party platforms, including Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and other popular marketing tools. This makes it a great option if you're running data-heavy websites and need to ensure full compliance without disrupting your marketing efforts. I've personally used the integration with Google Analytics, and the seamless syncing of data for reporting and analytics is pretty impressive. Many of its competitors, such as OneTrust, also provide integrations, but what sets Usercentrics apart is its ability to manage integrations without complicating the user interface. The fourth thing is security. Usercentrics is built to offer top-notch security, ensuring that all consent data is stored securely and is fully compliant with GDPR standards. They even provide options for users to access detailed consent records in case they need to demonstrate compliance in case of an audit. When compared to competitors like TrustArc, which also prioritizes compliance, Usercentrics seems to offer more transparency in terms of user consent logs, making it a preferred choice for businesses that are serious about data security. Moving on to the fifth point, pricing. Usercentrics isn't the cheapest option out there, but it offers significant value for the features it provides, especially for mid-sized to large businesses that need compliance tools. What sets Usercentrics apart from competitors like Cookiebot or Quantcast is the level of customization and advanced features included in their pricing tiers, so you get a comprehensive solution without needing to purchase add-ons. While some competitors charge extra for specific functionalities, Usercentrics keeps things all-inclusive, making it easier to budget. The sixth thing is the reporting and analytics features. This is where Usercentrics really shines. Their analytics dashboard provides a clear, detailed overview of user consent data, which is crucial for tracking compliance over time. When I used it, I found that their reporting tools were very intuitive and offered actionable insights that can be used to optimize how you handle user consent. This is a big win over other platforms like OneTrust, which can be overwhelming for users who want clear, concise reporting. And the seventh thing, support. Usercentrics provides fantastic customer service with real-time chat and email support available for their users. In my experience, they've been responsive and helpful in solving any issues I've encountered. Their knowledge base is also quite comprehensive, which is great for users who prefer self-service. When compared to alternatives like Cookiebot, which also offers support, Usercentrics feels more personalized in their approach, making it easier to get the help you need when you need it. If you want to try out Usercentrics AS for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll not only get access to a free trial of the software, but also exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. So, there you have it. 7 things you need to know before buying Usercentrics AS. Remember, if you're in the market for a privacy management solution that stands out from the rest, Usercentrics offers some unique advantages. Don't miss out. Click that link below for your free trial and get started today.